Hello my people, how na dey? Also na dey fine. I just see this video where be say our sister do, Lady Juliet. He do video to Odafewidon. No mama ya wona say magbo. I'll play am for na make una listen. Wetin he talk for inside there? Everything na true. Okay? Everything na true. Una know say Odafewidon no dey like truth. If you tell am truth, he go dey cry. The thing go dey pain her. You know, the thing go pain her. I don't know why the thing dey pain her like that. Make we listen to wetin Madam Juliet talk. Oh yeah. Egbema hoe.
Obewe one of Germany.
Ewo.
Odafewidon.
Odafewidon.
Odafekwedo ya.
Ewo.
A patron. Was your patron. Wawati. Imi video no. Amang be. Odewu. Ronta. Eni nuweti me eni. Awo wokunwe. Owo no mu we ajewebu. O mata ma wegbe ugbogede na anwi na wewebu. Ona poki wono ya mu we mu visually. Metoge ya. Yo ya ju no eta we platform oge emo ki face vegede. Yo jigi bia ke ya mu we ajewebu. Me fi obi ya. Anami origigi gbake ya mugwe atene mu petro ona iga vie monu e ona ya west court e moti ga gba ori bigonia ori di me mugwe gigi ya na hina o we be yo we the family we we ka we ya na gbegbe ake ya na ma gbegbe ake second wife nu kwa lady yo kwa na na aga madam ya o vera ya ma wa free lady because we're tired.
Any lady na ya jenye yeri madanjo o yeri pajo o bi o ha no hell oma
we don't we all time when you get reply ma atasa message ma una disappear wo kan no ta we traditional man the way di me egwede yo kwa meku wafwan
why gwi o the video for background you can't put Odafewidon oh so Odafewidon they talk for inside there saying we are Odafewidon now you fair use your mouth to talk and you say widow they go work you they carry children they go school I be like say maybe you know something is wrong not be ikonu egbe kan bugbe na why egbe kan woni budo dekun no egbe we odo kolomenta so you no remember when you talk and say widow they go work you they carry children they go school now you they do something for house you no remember why you the thing they pay you for body oh yeah tame
no that boy people how come a full-grown man, a full man like you, woman from modern till you know.
Oh, wait for background for inside there. Oh, where they look being sena, for the background. They look being sena at that is the as it don't reach so. Now you go come carry bag, you go come they go work because of this woman. Hell, Jesus, oh, most of our women. Now una saka una husband though. Warrior that from wa for it. How can woman go they go work, husband go there for his side house? I don't understand. Why? Why will you do such? Why? Woman they chop money. You not be slave to that man. That man need to do something. You also you need to support. Woman they support. Woman they support your husband. Not be you as a woman. You just go. You just they carry they go. Now let you want go do this one. Now you want go do the other one. Why nah? Why not they do that thing? Man, not they use that to they respect woman. No respect, no regard, nothing. Mona let women they respect you now. Man is the head of the family. Why woman go support? Woman go support. I know if you tell woman may not support. Don't be say the man go they proud. Say his wife they go work. In they sit down for house. What you they do for house? Even though say na 3 hours, 2 hours, go do as a man. Or where back even they call the woman say whether the woman want give a bekus metamu when now who where no may say kenoje when you don't tell say they don't give you. Why is there over son? Why is there we mean now? You don't know what it be. Some people then they think say then they insult women when they will say if they give am bekus na ebo no say bekus eragbon ke imi de especially bekus when you never do You go do it for me now. Why is there winning? Uhiyo ba owa. One and they play. Oh yeah, sister, tell him.
From 1 month to the second month, would you go joko? Or one of the petrol? We are what that says the Jamaican. Then it am. Oh, what don't I need? Benny, we are no boy. I don't boy women. I don't boy women.
According to Odafewidon, he said this woman wey be say na woman wey dey piss for back, wey be say if you don piss finish, you go use tissue take clean am, go give another oyibo make oyibo do. Your international ogbo, wetin she do? I tell you, say anytime wey you insult women, I dey come for you. Just dey pray me I no see the video. Wahari ya egbe. Till your widow go tell you say they respect women because you dey claim say you be adazewa, you know they insult women. You too lie. You too lie. You no go even reach woman to even insult you. Now wetin you talk, like this woman talk. Now you use your mouth to declare say you know they work. Say now widow they work. Now wetin you use your mouth to talk. Not be you talking for media. Abi you don't forget. Say now widow they work for you, but the work where you be the where you they do for inside now still work also. You they carry the children go school. You go they bring them. Then you go clean house with your widow. So why you can't they cry for this woman neck now because of to say she talk the truth? If they pay for you, if they pay. If person talk wait till you talk, why go pay you? Oh my bow okay.
Me na ale lo ma mu gbe me ku wa fo no pe yeyawu agbe eri na gi toto eri na wo toto wa mu e de mana ku we lai e pa ga me ya we ya bo eri na testing e eri na kin ye wa ta mo wo kan wa gbo kan we yo gbe enu wo ni ya nu we se mata
I say my sister. Woman go sit down, your husband go dey talk say even though say na lie, who were bringing me down. You are bringing me down. They talk say my kpekus no rich. Una no get sense. Even the wood they no even get sense. Your kpekus he say no rich. Now make am go dey like they talk all these things. Meaning you want those people to be giving you, but they not give you. Or see an egbena canwe. Una know the reason. This woman now, you don't sit down and say, I'm going to name me. What do you get? Ah, Jesus is Lord. No, it be like this. Some men will be saying, "Yama say, we kalaka." They will listen. Sister, tell you.
No, Madam, if you me respect we. No de patron ke muhiani akadagba chinuzo.
Akadagba muchumuzo.
Okwo no mu kwe ke Nigeria atie we.
Anagbeyo.
Una je gbejo. Igbe akaya mu atewe. E pajo. There okwo no bia yare Nigeria net to fiete nena. I respect you.
Egwa respect.
Okwo so we dan. O boy VP one of Gem.
Hey, oh boy VB1 of Germany. Ah, another one. Wait more way. Oh boy VB1 of Germany. You see everything where this woman talk. Not true you talk. Woman where use the body take big guy can't carry you come. Then you know they respect women. You will never go front. You not go anywhere because why? Now kpekus will carry you come. Now you they insult. Any kpekus where you see you they insult them. How you go to progress? You will never. You will never. You can never progress because why? Even the kpekus we carry you come, who bejo, ona motwero, ona bejo, wana some more ene. You see? So how you want to go from? So any woman where you be say come out, come talk to you, you go say the woman they use the aok kpekus say they find you, and that kpekus now go tell my bug boy. So you not go anywhere. My sister, I get here pa. Oh my, of your hand twenty. Now make her the claim. Of your hand here no way the day. You can still come out now. Say this woman they use kpeku to defend her. Isioluk, what did they make you the wear singlet come out? Then do juju put or better egba. Women not here. If you know what it they call women, you go wrong. Especially the kpekus wey be say na carry you come. Na make you date this abroad. Where at here bonuhe. Women not here. If you know what it be kpekus, who we gbata to we I respect we. Wa mi ufiane. Hey. Oh correct sir. Oh correct ma. Make I put this make una watch this video. Please love and like and share for me. No mami ya no se ma gbo. No less or more I feel omokwa. Oyo no joy agbegbe ya gyoga adomo jo na meje de no moju wa the same thing. See your life piri. pirigedi and pirigobonokba. Now this woman you want come still carry again. You never see chonchi. Why are you already you or zuo?
If you do aware, it's a good talk, because they see where the other woman will not be any or malagado gua, that to show where Okoni she's a liar. But as already we Okoni we know in that all. Do we make near watch with near watch because this is my first time.
If you are just watching me now, please invite your friends. The former, our sister, she's a former woman who was in a relationship with Ajay, who have 2 children, not wife, because we cannot call her our wife, because she's not our wife. You understand? So a former woman who live in Spain, who Ajay once spoiled in life. Thank God say today, and this woman survived from this mystery. May the ghost of our ancestor going to bless our sister in Jesus' name. Please invite your friends and listen to her. She want to claim her innocence. She want to tell everybody, say all those our women we not hear from the woman. They call it say this woman na bad person. Now say they did this one. Today, this our sister want to tell everybody, say there was never a time where all those lies where Ajay lie against her na lie. My sister, continue. Invite your friends.
My brother, no, you don't even need many explanation.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
Me when they talk, so I don't hold anybody explanation.
Yes.
You get my point. Why I say I don't hold anybody explanation? Be say when they carry they come from Nigeria. Now the woman way born for the they talk so. Who never hear made the year. Now the woman way born 2 children for now they talk so. Yes. When they carry they come from Nigeria, not be so tight follow come now flight. Okay. You understand? I don't change my voice. I don't change my number. Who want call confirm make you call my line direct because here we go. They say negative avant. If people feel say na bad thing I do, why they don't find my number? Say they make they call my line direct because now me use my money carry and come from Nigeria, come abroad. Fine, not be do or die. Say man and woman must marry to the end. Yes. You they get my point? Yes. Not be do or die. If we not marry, talk let's say we must follow up. I born for a carry and come and born for a thank God. Today get picking. Thank God today me I still get picking. Everybody they okay, everybody they successful. But my problem with him is this. Why him they narrate me to take me up? He not supposed to narrate me to take me up. You understand? Me, I never want the narrator for social media. Yes. I never wanted. This is my first time of me coming out on social media. Me, I call it talk to people. Say. Let me use that word just now. Say, I don't get anybody explanation. Yes. What if you say I do am bad? Make you come ask me direct. Okay. You go quote me. You go ask me, say, why you do this thing bad? I go ask her whether I be my God. You understand? And moreover, my brother, this life, anything when mama, papa do, anything when mama, papa do for life, not be the one where they'll tell worry the children, because the children, they are innocent. Yes. They are innocent. They know nothing about what their parents are doing. Yes. You get my point? Yes. So, Father, for Europe, where we did, so we will know as everybody be for Europe, as condition of Europe be. Nobody will talk say no as Europe be. So it will born Peking. Then he will say because say that woman do a bad thing, for that simple reason, he don't care what he want to do to those children. You get my point? Yes, because they don't care what he want to do to those children. Yes. This September where we want end. So last week Sunday, now be my first daughter, when me born for her, be 17 years, which is 20th of September. Mona ask her whether he call that girl, say happy birthday. Just only happy birthday. After they talk, now Mona they ask her the question, who's are they right? Make it the jot her down. I don't wish her death. You understand? Yes. I don't wish her death, but I believe say my God go ask her question concerning waiting in us to those children. 2 girls. That's where you get girls for Europe. You know, say don't grow, you go buy bra, yes, pants, pads, yes, you go buy shoe. Now yes. September we enter so where all children for Europe today buy book and all that. Yes. Mona ask her waiting he contributes among of those things.
is Owowo.
Okay.
His name is Owowo. So I know him. I brought it to Europe since 99. Not in 99, we know.
Okay. In no be
we know since 95.
What to mama? In no be you
understand? Normally, I'm not where take chop aduro where everybody don't know I've put for Europe. In name now Owowo. If it be real name now Owowo. In a Benin name. Now you get. But waiting I want to try talk, make people they listen to me. Everybody when you know saying they wash in the person they wash Arameya or say. No where I now. Benin say Arameya or what is the meaning of Arameya or say? If you see it do for yourself.
Yes.
Let be the meaning of that name. You see, you say you know use and do for yourself. You say you want to use and do for outside Adazowa.
Yes.
Charity begins at home. Yes. Because why me call so my brother? Now two people call me. One see me direct, one call me online. They ask me, say, whether I me carry a name call meet you. I say me. Me not even know you. So that social media is a problem to me. Because I don't get chance. I don't get time. I be busy person. You see, I'm full. This one I almost 4 minutes call, 5 minutes call, 9 days. Yes. I don't pick up because it is silent. If I want you silent myself, I'll put up for silence. I don't need talk.
Yes.
I don't get friends. I don't get where to go. You have to go to visit. Because the time where I get where I take up those children, yes. You know, even rich. You understand? Yes. So, you know, if they abroad, where you go say, you know, take off the children, you want to go take off people who they outside. It's impossible. Yes. God not go allow.
Yes.
You understand? Not because he carry money, not carry money. That will not be my own problem. Anyhow, I tell you the life. Now you wait. Yes. Now you make me talk I know we shall die.
Yes.
So now you know I want to make money from one corner. That will not be my problem. But my own problem is say, where he want go open charity home, where he know they take off the children. Now anyone may una help me ask her. Make una ask her. Una where is they look her? Let me they talk to. People where they look at, where they praise her, good talk, at times, my brother, at times, it was send the go maybe Facebook. It will can even tell me maybe a good Samaritan always send the go away game, no towel. Sometimes one day where I had children that are taking care of oh God Almighty. Concerning now, we say, but now concerning there's no way no yagba. Where more on where take care of. When I the language anywhere, have to be taking care of children. How? A Christmas you already get Christmas again. No. As when school that is September to September again, no.
Okay.
And if we put 2 girls for abroad. Now, ma will say, you know, they take care of. Now, ma will say, you know, the same €1 go they give them.
Okay.
Then you want to go open charity home. If possible. So, as those 2 women call me, one talk to me direct, one call me for phone, say, see what they go on, see, person will carry your name and your father of your children name, come out now, say, what it can't happen now? Me no know this man. I don't carry matter go meet this man. They will come carry my matter. Come on, now today this thing happen. Something where it don't happen for like 4 years ago. Now the matter comes to social media now. So okay, make I look. So as I look and see I write your name, see what you chop now. This man must call you. Make I thank you. You do well because they say now God. Now person like God is send they come. Yes. May come the head person. Yes. God not they come by self. Because now you be my God, now where they fight for me. Yes. People they say this woman they bad, this woman na shawo, this woman na prostitute. Fine. Any woman will not their husband has, now name they go call her. Yes. And any woman where you find, people where see them at where you know me, they don't say I be fine woman. Okay. Nobody praise me, I will praise myself.
Yes. We are
they don't say I be fine woman. They don't say I know the woman where they wear nyash. I get my own shape already. You understand?
Yes.
So Mona me ask her. that question. Now that those people where they view and not the one where they view you, where they call you, where they say lie, where they say now this, where they say now that.
They're not tired.
Not be them. Give them my number. Anybody will need my number, give them my number. Okay. Now this number I say where I say call you, so give them. May they call me, may they ask me question.
No, all of them
may they ask me question. When I say Ajepkako say if they give the children money or for back they say they may they ask them for life. Say Ajepkako true they give the children money. And any man way not they take off the children for Europe now fool.
Thank you.
Maybe man way not they take off the children. Make you call my line, make you tell me say madam why you talk say they be fool. Yes, the man way they not take off the children for abroad. No matter what that woman do.
Yes.
Those children don't get anything.
Yes.
Because if those children don't grow tomorrow now, by next year September now she go be 18 years, then you go come and go say my daughter she's 18 today. Okay. For why? Children when me take off for many years. They will buy book, they will buy shoe, they will buy trousers, they go eat.
Mama,
they will buy pads, they will buy
Ajepkako say they work for more than 13 years, I mean 14 years for Spain. You say they'll work all the days of your life with this missing and work in the work.
I laugh. Ajepkako he work, he not work, he work for himself. I will not be where me day for work, maybe now where in day night they work.
Okay.
Maybe now where in day now he work that years. Because how many years you don't send for Europe? Where you will work that years? I hear that the way they browse out for months. I have worked, I have paid government for 11 years. I have done this announcement the Bulgarian. Shut up. Who know you, Richard? They wash an office, I know they wash at times because if they send out to me, I don't get what I want, I will still wash you. They see how you they progress. They see how you they do. So that person, that man, wait in, take him money. They do whatever I want his hand to. Make him beg the man. Make him call the man, beg the man, say I beg. I will pay this money back. I use that to do so thing. I will pay you small. Because there's no way you pay 3,000 euro come and say, take, I want to pay you.
Yes.
You understand my point?
Yes.
Okay. Woman, where you go roads, where they do prostitutes, if they carry you call Europe, do you now use that the money you take the eat? Now the money you take care of your children. You carry go carry my name. You go spoil. Not even on social media for Jamie there. You carry the name, go Nigeria.
Yes.
Go meet them for Nigeria. Fine, my brother, as I said talk at the beginning, say anything I like, I use my to do.
Yes.
Not being get her for me. They not put money for my head. They not want they put money for my head. Money will come and say make they give the children a 300 euro. Make they ask her whether they give them 50 euro for it. Whether they give them 1 centime or start some Spanish money. Or Europe money, I mean.
Okay.
1 centime, whether they give them. Let me ask them.
Okay.
If they get any question where they want to ask me, may they ask me. Okay. May they ask me. I think that they say I get the explanation. I think that they say I don't get the explanation. I don't get time to explain to them. But if they feel say the women feel say me I carry their husband. Mama,
what invest me? You know what invest me for? What make me come pray for you? Say God of our access will continue to bless you. Now what thing I hear for Ajema say even one of our social media presenter call me from phone say when I come talk and say Aje. It's not a man to be trusted. That one can't call me for say, you know a woman. Now so a woman they say, what to make Ajay come out. The woman they sleep around. Ajay will go work before Ajay come back for work. A woman will sleep around. He can't lie. And another person can't tell me. He say Ajay will go work before Ajay come for work. You will sleep with him. And now I can't tell and say, now I can't tell and say, make Ajay come swear puts. If Ajay not they help you, they look after your children. Make you go work home.
My brother, if they look after my children, make I go work on I be the wahala, I be the problem now. Say, you look after the children, finish. At the end of the month, I will still pay her. Okay. Wait till they look that picking. That time get one daughter. Okay. I will still pay her. Mona ask her whether he never receive money from my hand. As the best person they go when one picking to it. Because this is not pass careful. It make Mona tell her, make it come they bring money for children. Make come they give the children money.
Okay. Those money, wait, 1 minute. Ajay, those money this our sister they pay you that time when you will look after children, she will consider you will be papa with born pikin. Your wife will still pay you. You can still look after the pikin. Can't pay the money back. Can't pay the money back. Okay. Okay. Okay.
But don't do to me because in your way, any other Roja.